Front doors almost always begin failing at the seams and edges because these areas are the most vulnerable to moisture, movement, and finish breakdown. Seams, where panels meet rails or stiles, create tiny gaps that expand and contract with temperature changes. Over time, these microscopic openings allow water to work its way beneath the finish, even when the door looks intact on the surface. Edges are especially at risk because they're thin and often underprotected. Factory finishes and DIY paint jobs frequently leave edges with less coverage, and bottom edges are sometimes left completely unsealed. Once moisture penetrates an edge, it spreads inward through the door material, weakening the finish from underneath. These areas also experience the most physical stress. Opening, closing, and locking the door puts constant pressure on seams and edges, causing coatings to flex and crack more quickly than on flat surfaces. Temperature swings amplify this movement, further breaking down adhesion. Sun exposure makes the problem worse. UV rays hit edges at sharper angles, accelerating drying and fading. Once the finish becomes brittle, cracks form, giving moisture an easy entry point. Because damage at seams and edges often starts small and out of sight, it can go unnoticed until peeling, bubbling, or discoloration spreads across visible sections of the door. Professional refinishing addresses this by fully sealing seams, reinforcing edges, and applying flexible, moisture-resistant coatings that protect the door at its weakest points, stopping failure before it spreads. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.